equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on changing the battery and maintaining your Rowenta Explorer Series 20 robot vacuum. Let's dive right in. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a new battery compatible with the Rowenta Explorer Series 20. Begin by ensuring your robot vacuum is turned off and unplugged. This is crucial for your safety. Next, flip the vacuum over to access the battery compartment. You will see several screws securing the cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Inside, you'll find the battery. Disconnect the old battery by gently pulling the connector away from a socket. If you're unsure about the connection, refer to the user manual for guidance. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the socket, ensuring it's secure. Replace the cover and reinsert the screws you previously removed. Make sure they are tightened properly, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. With the battery replaced, it's time to clean the internal components of your vacuum. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the sensors and brushes. This will help maintain optimal performance. Remember, regular cleaning can prevent dust buildup and prolong the life of your vacuum. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Now, let's talk about maintenance. It's essential to check the brushes regularly for hair and debris. Remove any tangled hair using scissors or your fingers. This simple step can significantly improve the efficiency of your vacuum. Additionally, consider running a professional diagnosis without obligation if you notice any performance issues. Our team can identify problems quickly and provide you with a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. After cleaning, reassemble your vacuum and turn it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you. In summary, changing the battery and maintaining your Rowenta Explorer Series 20 is straightforward with the right tools and knowledge. Regular maintenance will keep your vacuum in top shape, ensuring it serves you well for years to come. Thank you for following along, and happy cleaning. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.